Hello learners, welcome back to our hygiene lesson. Today we are going to learn how to prevent water from contamination. How do we prevent water from contamination? We are going to see. Given the different water storage that we have here, we have a drum, we have a bottle, I have a gel can here, and I have 2 buckets. I also have a jug. In all these ways of storing water, which water is likely to be contaminated? Obviously, this water will be contaminated. And the water I am holding here will also be contaminated. Why? Because this water is not covered. Since it's not covered, as the wind is blowing, some dirt can get inside the water. And that dirt is now contaminating water. This bottle also is not covered. So anything can get inside the water and the water becomes contaminated. So water can be contaminated if it is just kept in open. To prevent this water from contamination, we should always store water in covered containers. Our bucket here is well covered so that water is clean and it cannot be contaminated. Our bottle here is also well covered. Our drum is also well covered. And my jug also, if I want to store water here, I should also put some water and cover it so that I do not contaminate water. So we also said that when water is not contaminated, does not mean that water can be used for drinking. It can be used to do any other thing. It can be used for cooking or any other uses. So when you are storing water at home, is it covered? Is the drum that is storing water covered? Are the jerry cans covered? Is the jug covered? Make sure when the water is being stored, it is well covered. So I want to give our teacher some water to drink from my covered bucket. So Teacher Ellen, please have some water to drink. I've just got it from my covered bucket. Have some drinking water. Let's see.
Is it safe for drinking?
But the bucket was covered, so the water is not contaminated.
Not really. The last lesson that we learned, we said that clean water or clear water is not safe for drinking. We have to boil this water to kill germs. So I am not going to drink this water until it is boiled.
Very good. So learners, the water that is here, although it is covered, does not mean that you can just take that water and drink it. What has the teacher said? The teacher has told us the water is clear, yes. The water is clean, yes. It is well covered, so it will not be contaminated. But that water is not safe for drinking. How do we make this water safe for drinking? We should boil it. So this water should be boiled and then put somewhere else and well covered again. Then that water will be safe for drinking. Very nice. I want us to get to our booklet on page 12. Get your computer gadget and try getting the meaning of the words that are given there and continue practicing keeping water safe from contamination. That is enough for our lesson. We will meet again later.